Hey, hold on for a sec. If you've been riding the same old bike and thinking there has to be something that feels more capable, more confident, more effortless, Gotrax R7. This is for the kind of person who doesn't just tolerate their commute or adventure. You want it to feel good. You notice when a ride feels sluggish on hills. You feel it when range anxiety kicks in. You remember what smooth acceleration and confident handling actually feel like. You redone with rides that just get you by. You want one that keeps up with you. Before you go deeper, check the current price and availability. E-bikes with this kind of balanced power and range don't stick around quietly, and waiting almost always means paying more later or missing out entirely. You knew it was time to upgrade when small frustrations started adding up. Maybe it was that hill that used to intimidate you, or longer routes you stopped attempting, or that feeling that your current ride wasn't pulling its weight anymore. It wasn't just a desire for speed, it was a moment of realization that you shouldn't have to negotiate performance and comfort. The first ride on this brings that realization into sharp focus. You twist the throttle and feel a confident surge, not a hesitant push. You climb terrain that used to slow you down, and it feels steady instead of strained. You stop thinking about conserving battery and start planning longer routes. That shift from managing limitations to enjoying freedom changes how you view every ride. Cruising through town feels smooth, not jerky. The oversized, padded seat doesn't just look comfortable, it feels like it was designed for real miles. The 20 fat tires handle bumps and rough paths without jostling you around. And that 45-mile range, it doesn't just show up on paper. You feel that confidence in every pedal assist and every twist of the throttle. Take another glance at the price. While it still feels steady, e-bikes with balanced power, range, and comfort tend to swing once people start catching on. If you hesitating because 25 mph doesn't sound extreme, that doubt fades fast once you live with it. What matters more is how complete the experience feels: responsive acceleration, solid handling, and a ride that feels ready for everyday use and adventure. The surprise benefit becomes obvious on longer rides. You stop worrying about how far you can go and start thinking about where you want to go next. That's the kind of shift that turns routine rides into something you actually look forward to. Owning something like this feels empowering. You don't get on and hope it'll work, you get on knowing it will. And every time you consider something weaker, you remember the days you felt held back. That alone pulls you right back here. Smooth power you can trust, responsive acceleration on demand, range that lets you go farther, comfort that stays with you mile after mile, handling that feels confident and composed. It's not built for extreme off-road thrills. Top speed demands respect from riders. At some point, you stop cycling through what-ifs and choose the ride that already feels right. Don't let this be one of the upgrades you delay and quietly regret. Check the price, see what's available, and make the move while it still feels like the obvious choice.